Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect your Spotify to Discord, so let's get right into it. It is a very easy process to do, and I'll be going over this official Discord support guide on how you can connect these, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, of course, you need to open up the Discord app, and next to your username, you'll see a cogwheel, and you just need to click on that to open up your user settings. Then under the user settings, you need to go to connections, and you'll connect your Spotify account by pressing the Spotify tile and logging into your Spotify account. Once it is connected, you can also change how it displays through your Discord account. You can display it on profile or display Spotify as your status, and you can do this by going to user settings and into connections, and then you'll be able to see it like so. And you'll be able to configure it however you would like. Now, Spotify will display on many profiles and profiles, and you can use the play on Spotify option or listen along to join anybody who is listening to Spotify music. If you click listen along, you'll join them at exactly where they are, and you'll be listening to the same playlist and everything. If you just play it on Spotify, I'm pretty sure it'll play the same song. On your Spotify, it might load up the same playlist. However, I'm not sure. Now you can also invite your friends to listen with you, and all you have to do, you just need to select or send a direct message, group direct message, and that is it. You just need to click the plus in your text box to invite your friends, and you'll get a message preview of your invite, and you'll be able to comment before sending it. And once you send, anybody who clicks join will be joining you and listening to music. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.